Really? What you doing? You gonna try to take mommy's phone? So the weasel had a lot of fun. Pop goes the weasel. Hi, baby. You bouncing? Hi. 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 Hi, baby. Hi. Gavin. Gavin. Hi, baby. Hi. Yeah? What else? Tell me more. Tell me more. How'd you get your bib off? Huh? How'd you get your bib off? How did you do that? Huh? How did you do that? Really? Where'd it go? Where did your bib go? Where'd it go? Where's your bib? Is that what you do with your bib? Is that what you do with it? Huh? You eat it? Do you eat your bib? How did you get it off? How did you get it off? Do 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 do. Do. Hey! 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 Look how little the shoe is. It's so cute. You gotta put them on. You gotta put your shoes on. cute little shoes. He's gonna end up taking them off, but they're so cute. They're so little. They're so little. You have little feet, babies. You got little feet. Rawr. Can I have your shoe? Can I have it? Can I have it? Don't eat your shoe. Thank you.
At the house.
Last resort.
Bye.
I told you how we're gonna do that one. Go to the zoo.
We need to go to the zoo.
Have six bonfires. Happy Father's Day, Bill.
See you guys.
Oh yeah, one. Go canoeing.
Get Nicole. Get her.
I'm telling you,
Go
I
to the Ray Mountains and go canoeing.
I just know.
Stand them back up.
Let's
Stand them back up.
They have that.
The Ray Mountains have their own pond.
Yes, I know.
Get her. Get her, babies. Not your passy. Get her. Get Nicole.
You have a dolphin right there. You already swam with one.
swim with a dolphin.
That is a shark. Picnic all day.
We still need to do a picnic, and we can kind of do that. Yes. I added one to the list. Go on.
Okay. A day and a tent. That one's gonna be hard.
Passy's
No,
gone.
you didn't say a night and tent. You just said a day.
That's true. Trash. When we go to Dish Last Resort, we can stay overnight and then trash the time and then just get up and go.
All right, this isn't supposed to process.
Get
like,
Nicole.
Six
Get
Flags
her.
You know what? You guys could do. Well, that I think you guys should be doing anyway. But the trash hotel room, you could just make it an extended
don't
summer. You guys can do it when you go to Kalahari in October.
There we go.
And by trash it, I mean you can leave.
I am a baby.
No, we can.
Oh my goodness. He's discovered he can splash. Splash, baby. Splash. Splash.
You wanna get the ducky? You wanna get the ducky? Or are you gonna get your foot? I don't trust you to stay still long enough for mommy. Come on, you can find it someplace.
Really? Tell me more. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Hi. Yeah? What else? Hey, baby. Are you sitting? Are you sitting? You're such a big boy. Here, sit up. Sit up. No, not sit back. Sit up. Come on. Sit up. Sit up. Whoa. There we go. There you go. You're sitting up. You're such a big boy. You're such a big boy. You can sit up now. You're almost completely sitting up on your own. You are almost completely sitting up on your own. Yeah. Yeah. No, you can have the phone. Tuck. Tuck. Are you tucking? Are you tucking? Where you going, silly boy? Where you going, silly boy? Huh? Where you going? That was a good burp. You gonna talk more? A goo? Come on. Gavin. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Yeah? Yeah? Come on. Come on. Where you going? No, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Oh, here you go. And we're done.